Let's see the moth again. The next day is still here, right there. Hi, hello moth. You're still here and you don't fly away. Oh my God, look at this. Hi, pretty, beautiful. This looks like a head of the snake. See, that's a tongue or something. The other one too, and this has two circles here. It's like an eyes. It's pretty. Oh my God, so cute, beautiful. Hello. I googled your name and now I know your name. You're Luna moths or something. I thought you're a butterfly. Ah, so pretty. Oh my God, so cute. Oh. You're still here? You sleep right here? You were here yesterday and you don't fly away. Yesterday I saw you at lunchtime and the night came, and then today is 10 a.m. and you're still here. You don't fly. Ah, so pretty, my God. She camouflages. This is my white roses right here. So cute. Look at that body. This is like it's like 6 inches, like 3 inches here and 3 inches at the side, so 4 inch of, so 6 inches total. Can I touch you a little bit? Okay, just gentle. Hi, so cute, beautiful. Oh my God, that was so pretty. Here, the closest. Here's the eye right there. It's like an eye, but circle, but looks like a peacock or something. It's like the Polyphemus moth that has 2 circles. One here, right there, and one there. Side, it's there. This is beautiful.